Today, I'm going to share a simple 3-step flow that makes long YouTube videos actually useful for your content strategy. Basically, drop any long video into a simple input, and within seconds, you get the full transcript, AI-picked short clips ready to post, and a content calendar that posts automatically. Sounds like magic, but it's really just the right tools wired together, and you don't need to be an automation engineer to do it. Let me show you how this works in practice. Imagine watching a helpful tutorial from a creator talking about how they write blog posts from scratch. Normally, you might take notes, rewatch parts, or spend hours clipping highlights manually, right? Now just copy the video URL, paste it into the input form I made, hit submit, and while you relax or make coffee, the system runs automatically. Within about 10 seconds, the video is ingested. You get a full transcript, key moments are auto-detected, and dozens of short vertical clips are ready to post. For a 40-minute video, you instantly have the full transcript plus all the viral moments identified without lifting a finger. What's cool is you can do whatever you want with this material. Do deep research, pull quotes for threads, or recycle clips for TikTok and YouTube Shorts. The system creates auto edits that are ready to post, so you don't have to fight with timelines or complicated editing software. Later, if you want specifics, like where someone said it takes 4 to 5 hours to write a mediocre post, you can jump right into the transcript or clip library and find it fast. Here's a peek at how we use it. After ingestion, clips get tagged by likely engagement, humor, tips, hooks, the stuff that performs best. Then it can automatically schedule those clips across platforms, spacing posts out so you don't have to babysit uploads or formats. That way you focus on the creative part, choosing which clips to boost or remix, while the system handles the rest. Some people try to build this with DIY stacks using Airtable, N8N, Apify, and vector databases, but it gets messy and requires constant maintenance. You also have to babysit API limits, manage credentials, and pray your automation scripts keep running. Not fun for everyone. Other standalone products exist, but they usually specialize in either editing, clipping, or scheduling, rarely all three in one place. This workflow sits right in the sweet spot. Killer auto editing, smart scheduling, and a content calendar that actually works together. Let me break down the core pieces. First, auto-editing viral clips finds attention-grabbing moments, trims, captions, and formats them for socials. Second, auto-schedule lets you pick your posting frequency, and it fills the calendar, spaces posts, and lets you drag to reschedule easily. Third, the content calendar puts drafts, scheduled posts, published clips, and analytics all in one place. No spreadsheets required. Plus, the entire transcript and clip library become searchable databases, so you find exact moments instantly later on. Imagine searching your videos for how long to write a mediocre blog post and pulling the exact 15-second clip in seconds. No manual timestamps needed. If you consume a lot of content and want to turn long videos into evergreen short posts, this workflow saves you hours every week. Instead of cutting, formatting, captioning, and scheduling clips one by one, you let the system do the heavy lifting for you. Here's the day-to-day. Find a video you love, copy the URL, paste into the input, and hit process. Within seconds, you get a full transcript, suggested clips, and a content calendar view where you can preview scheduled posts. Tweak the best clips if you want, swap thumbnails, change captions, then hit publish or let the system auto-post for you. That's literally it. No webhooks, no token juggling, no CSVs, just a simple but powerful workflow. Competitive trade-offs matter. DIY stacks might be fun for some, but for most creators, this all-in-one solution saves time and headaches. Some platforms charge per video or per clip, others lock you into pricey monthly plans, but here you pay once for automation that replaces multiple tools. Time is money. If this workflow shaves 4 to 6 hours per video from your production, you get that time back fast. I also love the transparency. You see transcripts, clip confidence scores, and calendar placement with flexibility to export or edit later. Creators hate being boxed in, so having full control while automating the grunt work is a huge win. Here's one last example. A 40-minute workshop processed in under a minute yielded 120 suggested clips, easy to filter and schedule a dozen at a time. Compare that to manually clipping, captioning, resizing, and scheduling. It's a full day of work versus just 15 minutes here. If you love tinkering, DIY stacks can be fun. But for volume, speed, and quality, this smart shortcut lets you focus on creativity instead of infrastructure. So yeah, that's my flow. Paste a URL, auto-transcript, auto-edit clips, and auto-schedule into a content calendar that just works. Whether repurposing your own videos or pulling highlights from others with fair use, it saves time and scales your content without burnout. Tried it with one long video, let it auto-generate 10 to 20 clips, and you'll quickly see which hooks perform best and how easy posting gets. If you want templates or advanced tips like batch processing or analytics integration, hit me up in the comments. I'll share what we've learned. All right, that's it. I hope this gave you a clear picture of turning long videos into a content machine without being an editor or automation engineer. Drop a like, subscribe, and share what tools you're stuck on right now. I love testing this with real creator content. Catch you in the next one.